Everybody just didn't get a mic.
Mic check.
Just didn't get a mic.
Mic check with order. Okay. No, talk softly now.
Yo guys, so we're just going out to get some chicken licking. That's what we are doing.
Okay. What's going?
Yes, Jesse flopped. Out here, and it's time to get us our food. So let's get our food and let's rock it. We were looking.
Why are you not including me in the video?
Oh. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get out. When do I start, Jess? Jess, when do I start?
Start right now, hun.
Guys, you do not understand how much this means to me, bro. It means so much, really. But on the real, it means a lot. Look at how much food I am going to consume in the next 10 minutes, probably. Probably even 5 minutes. I don't know. Maybe I'll be kind and share with my sister.
Actually, one of these boxes is mine. He's just trying to flex.
Yeah, I'm just trying to flex that I can eat like 10,000 calories, bro. But look at this.
Okay.
So, that's good. You know, I tried to invite my older sister, but then she was just like, I'm on the phone. Don't come into my room. I'm on the phone. Come and tell the people exactly what you said. When I was like, hey, Tash, what up, girlfriend? And you're like, I'm on the phone, Name. I'm on the phone.
Talking to who is the question?
She's talking to Baby. Baby. Okay, let's start with this eating, because that's what we're here. But we're here to do. We're here to do. Oh, Jess, you have to get a close up of this. You know what? You know what? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Can you see that? Yeah. Look at that.
So did you buy one card?
I'm recording. Okay, so we gotta get that milk, that juice.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I don't want to drink water. I don't want to drink juice. I just want to bite into it, but I know it's gonna show me some flames. So that's the
he's
thing.
not really good with spices.
Yeah, I'm not good with spices. So, okay. First bite of chicken licking. Oh my days. For how many months? 3 months, yeah?
Yeah, about 3 months.
First time in 3 months I can have chicken licking again. I am so stoked. Okay. Jess, you gotta count down.
Low-key jealous.
Count down.
3, 2, 1. Is it as good? Okay. Okay, is it really that good?
Oh, this is so much. I'm gonna choke because it's too spicy, but
put some of the spice on the chips, you know? Move the bottle out of the way.
It's too hot. Too hot. Too hot.
Sorry guys, I'm just gonna insert here.
Wow, that was amazing. 3 months, no chicken licking. You guys don't understand what this means to this man. Whew. You know, I can say one small bite for man, one giant pat.
This is the end of the takeout does he.
I'm trying to make it all dramatic and everything, and then that failed. Okay, let's try this again. One small bite for man, one giant bite for mankind.
It's actually
You know what?
humanity. He says one giant leap for man. I mean, he says one giant leap, one step for man, one leap for humanity.
Okay. One bite for man.
Nah, dude. Just
Okay,
eat
okay.
your chicken. Eat
No,
your
no, 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 no. I have to get this right. Okay. One bite for man, one giant bite for humanity. Man, I should be advertising chicken wing. I think I should.
Chicken Licken, come through, please. Lifetime free chicken Licken.
I have time for chicken. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So, any questions about the chicken?
You mean you or the food? We have this running joke that we call each other chicken, so I have a question.
Get some of that coleslaw.
What is the best part of like takeout food? Like the best part about it is that you can take it anytime, or it's just good, or what is your favorite part, especially after 3 months?
I'm just so glad I don't, number one, have to cook, but number two, there's so much variety, bro. Like, it's crazy. I didn't realize how many options I had until they said no takeout, no restaurants open. That, I mean, I think I was eating rice and chicken every day.
Yeah.
Basically.
What you trying to say? I was cooking rice and chicken every day. I wasn't.
And you know, when you eat the chicken, you also have to get that bone, you know? You don't waste no chicken out there. Okay.
Disclaimer, guys. This is not. He doesn't eat this nice. I think he's just.
Savage.
It's like. Oh my gosh. You have braces. You have to be careful.
I'm a savage.
Okay.
Overall,
What's your favorite part about me?
favorite part about my sister, my young sister.
Why do you have to say sister?
Just so that everyone knows that you're my sister, in case there's someone out there
Hey,
who's
he's
looking for someone
single.
like me. But favorite part about my sister is she's always willing. I'm just thinking, I was about to say you're always willing to come out with me to get food, but maybe you just come out to get the food, not to come out with me. So now I have to think about more. But every time I say let's do this, you down.
down.
You down. Yeah.
How is it to be the only boy in the house? The only boy in the family? He's the... Yeah. The only... I don't want to say man, but out of the siblings, you're the only son.
The only wolf. I feel outnumbered as the guy because I feel like whenever you guys want to gang up on me, you can gang up on me, and the majority rules. So the woman rule the house.
Yeah. Even if there was less of us.
And they want to tell me, don't sit there, don't sit there. But when there's a spider, it's like, hey, Nate, where you at, bro? There's a spider.
Low-key, we kill the spiders. Super low-key.
Oh, I saw something about how someone ate chicken. They like pushed it down, and then he ate it fully. I'll show you just now.
you black men sit like this?
I'm not a fool.
Because you can't touch the belly. Ne? You remember the show Black and White?
Mm-hmm.
Where like white families would become black and the other way around. They even had to teach him to sit like this, like. You don't remember?
I don't know why you could, like, learning how to do.
He had to because there's a certain way that black men sit.
Mm.
It was so interesting.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I don't have much to say. The boy is stuffed, okay? I'm still trying to swallow what I just had. My sister, she didn't survive, but I did. I just want to say, if you're ever in South Africa or if you're ever in a country that has chicken chicken, go check it out because it's so good. And get the hot wings. And that's me signing out. And going for a nap. Peace.